Maayong adlaw. Before we start, Happy New Year, mga higala. This is Maestra Judy. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a while since I have uploaded here on YouTube. I took a little break last month, starting actually this around December 23, but I stayed active on Instagram. Okay, sharing Cebuano lesson tidbits there. So if you missed those, make sure to check them out. And don't forget to follow me also. Today, I'm so excited to share something special with you guys, mga higala. The first video of the year and the unboxing of our Learning Kit 5. Alright, mga higala, we're almost half of our curriculum. This kit is all about food, ingredients, and home essentials. Here's what you'll find inside the Learning Kit Box 5. So first, you have the 70-page reusable activity book. So you can practice writing Cebuano words as much as you want. Just erase to start over. Second, you will have 10 laminated bingo cards because learning Cebuano can be fun and interactive, mga gala. Third, you will also have 110 pieces of pocket-size flashcards. So you can study anywhere, anytime, and we will use this for the bingo game. Next is 2 market section posters to help you learn Cebuano terms for common grocery sections. Next one, we have 10 grocery shopping cart cards, an interactive way to master grocery vocabulary. And again, the learning kits includes audio QR code. So just scan it to access the pronunciation guides and listening practice. Another one, you will also get a fun fact card so you can discover interesting tidbits about the Cebuano culture or the Philippine culture. It also comes with a whiteboard pen. Write, erase, and repeat. So this kit is designed to make learning Cebuano easy, fun, and hands-on. So whether you're a beginner or you are trying to revisit your vocabulary, Before I go mga higala, here are some updates for our Learning Kit subscribers. For international orders,